Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to adjust the angle and direction that the lens points on our Viewtron dome security cameras. I'm going to use that dome that you see behind me mounted to that pole, and this applies to both our Viewtron Dome IP cameras as well as the Viewtron Dome BNC cameras. Take a look and see how easy it is to adjust these things. The first thing that I'm going to do is loosen the set screw at the base of the camera using the Allen wrench that is included. This allows me to remove the entire camera from the base plate. You can see that the base plate is installed to our junction box using these three screws. One of the great things about these junction boxes is there's plenty of room to store the cable. After I position the eyeball part of the dome onto the base plate, I place this cover piece over it. With the set screw still loose, you can see that I can move the eyeball lens part of the camera and the cover plate in any direction. That is why these dome cameras are sometimes called eyeball domes and sometimes they're called turret domes, because you can move that lens piece in any direction you want. Once I have the lens in the position that I like, I hold it in place and tighten the set screw. You can tighten it down most of the way and still move the lens and cover plate with a bit of force. When you are happy with the exact position, tighten the set screw down more. Now the lens and cover are securely in place and will not move. Guys, I hope this video has been helpful. The junction box that I'm using there is optional. These domes can mount directly to a wall or a ceiling mount, and as you can see, with the way that turret style can rotate in any direction, you can literally point this thing anywhere you want. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to reach out to me anytime via email. I can be reached at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to learn more about our Viewtron products, we have IP camera systems, BNC camera systems, DVRs, NVRs, as well as specialty cameras such as AI security cameras and license plate recognition. You can learn about the entire Viewtron product line at www.cctvcamerapros.com/Viewtron. Thank you for watching.